It's no secret out there, if you're a kitchen exhaust cleaner, Asian style kitchens are tough to clean. They have a different kind of grease. So I've got some two greases here. I've got burger joint grease and I've got Asian style kitchen grease. Look at this, look at this. It's like gummy bears in there. It's just solid and it sticks and it's hard to clean. And you might go at it with a scraper like this one, and that's a great way to start. But if you're still using just regular kitchen exhaust cleaners, I'm here to tell you there's something better out there, and it's our OD-100 Asian style kitchen cleaner. It is specially formulated to go after the types of oils that are used in Asian cuisine. So those hibachi kitchens and those Chinese buffets that you may have been avoiding because of the peanut oils and things that they use in their cooking, this OD-100 is potassium hydroxide based, and it specifically targeted to go after this kind of stuck on gummy grease. So the way you use it, you're gonna add about 4 ounces per gallon of OD-100 to water in a pump up sprayer. You're gonna spray it onto a system, let it dwell for a few minutes, just really let it sit in there and start eating that grease. And after about 15 minutes, come after it with a hot water pressure washer and a fan tip, or depending on the situation, maybe even a roto tip. But really hot water to lift that grease away and use this OD-100 to help it break free. And for those of you that are used to using our 502 Green Beast, you can actually combine Green Beast and OD-100 to make a super powerful cleaner. So it's like Voltron. You can make the two robots come together and make a brand new kind of robot. Well, the cleaners can come together. OD-100 is non-toxic, and it is sold in 16-ounce containers like this, so you can try it out. We also have it in 5-gallon containers, so that once you've had a chance to use it on a job site, you like it, call us back, get the 5-gallon container, and you'll be good to go. So let those other guys run away from the Asian style kitchens. You know that you've got your little secret, the hood cleaner's best friend, OD-100 Asian style kitchen degreaser, and you can tackle those tough jobs with ease. If you have any questions about our OD-100, give us a call here at Powerwash.com and we're happy to help.